Withdrawing money from Deliveroo to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Deliveroo app or website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Step 2. Navigate to your earnings. Once logged in, go to the section that displays your earnings or account balance. This is usually found in a menu under Earnings or Payments. Step 3. Select Withdrawal option. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw, Transfer to Bank, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter bank details. If prompted, enter your bank account details where you want the money to be transferred. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with the transaction. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo support for assistance.